In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money with the Atlas affiliate program. I'll be giving you 2 free strategies at the end of the video. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. And if you don't know what Atlas is, it is the best AI tool out there for students. Many students at top universities are using Atlas. I'll give you a quick breakdown of what Atlas is, and then I'll show you how to sign up to the affiliate program, and then I'll show you the 2 free strategies. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the Atlas dashboard, and you can see it's kind of similar to ChatGPT. However, it has many specific features that will help students study better. You can create study guides, you can create practice quizzes, and you can, for example, say you want to create a practice quiz, you can upload a bunch of documents, or you can give it a Wikipedia URL, and then it will scan all that information and create you a quiz. You can also create flashcards, and you can use the same documents you've uploaded, or you can use URLs. It can solve homework problems for you. It can draft papers for you. It could automatically record lecture notes and analyze that information. 800,000 students are using it. The monthly plan is $15.99 a month. And if you buy the yearly plan, it's only $5 per month. And the affiliate program pays very well because it pays 30% reoccurring commission. The cookie length is very generous at 60 days. The minimum payout is just $100. They pay out via PayPal, and it's an independent affiliate program, so you can sign up directly with them. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below and then go ahead and click Join Affiliate Program. You fill out this application. It only takes 1 minute, and then you can start sharing your link and making money. And 2 strategies that you can use to promote this affiliate program. One is to create YouTube videos that are aimed for students, going over the best AI tools or going over Atlas itself or doing tutorials. You can see right here, people are doing videos, and you can put your description in the link and you can make a bunch of affiliate sales that way. The second way is if you don't want to do videos, you can either create blog post about it, or for example, if you have some type of AI data directory, you can add your link there, or you can post on forums that are related to students. And this is another great way to monetize and earn money from the affiliate program. And if you want to find more awesome affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. It's completely for free. You can find the best affiliate programs in the world on my website. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.